family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Oforiwa Matali. I'm a mom of four and a wife. And into this video, I'm definitely going to be cleaning my bedroom and decorating it for the Christmas. If you are new here, we have just moved into this house. We have been here for a month now, and I really need to give my bedroom some love. It have really been neglected, y'all, because I have been really busy and trying to unpack, like you know the drill as a mom, and then trying to clean, unpack the children's stuff and get their rooms ready. So things have really been out of hands. But today I'm really getting down to my knees in this room and really scrubbing down and cleaning it out. It really needed, like I said, and also I will be decorating for the Christmas since we're already in that season and in that spirit. So I will be decorating it. I'm not gonna be doing too much. Most of the stuff I will be using into this video are things I already have from years back for last year and things like that. But you guys know the drill. When I'm decorating, I always share with you guys where I get everything from. So these are some of the pieces that the boxes that I don't know where to put them for now. So I would just move them and just put them somewhere so I can figure out where to decorate them. So now it is the next day, y'all. On that day, mission was impossible because I had to go cook dinner. So by the time I was done, you guys know it's winter. The place get dark really early. So I was not able to come back to finish up. So it is the next day I'm finishing up this room today. So I started very early so that way I can be done before it's time to make dinner or get the kids from school. So all of my sheets I'm using is already clean. I own two white sheets, y'all. That's it. I used to have a lot of different colors of sheets, but when I discovered that cleaning a white sheet is more easier than having different color. I have stick and glue to white sheets because it's so easy to clean. The maintenance on this is so easy. All I need to do is use a baking soda, glue it in the machine, use a baking soda on it. And what I do is if my sheet has spots that have dirt on it, I just pre-spray it with an awesome spray. And then I use the baking soda and a little bit of uh, Clorox, but you guys call it bleach. And that is it. And then my sheet come out really clean and new again. So if you want to try a white sheet, don't be afraid. I think it's the best thing to do. You will save a lot of money from buying sheets all the time. So you should definitely try that. So right now I am just putting in all of these little pillows that I didn't use for my fall decorating for my other house in my living room. I am just using them into this video in my master bedroom. If you want to decorate your house or you want to get into decorating or making your home feel nice and cozy, you can always switch up your things. You can move your home decor pieces from one space to another. That can give a space a whole look. Y'all, this pillow, I thought it was a Christmas pillow, but it looked like fall. But you guys let me know what you think. I really love it and I was not ready to return it. So I just decided to put it on this bed. But I will change, definitely be switching it up for the Christmas, but I'm keeping it. I will use that this year. So this Christmas tree I'm using right now, I did purchase this from Amazon last year, and it was like, if I'm not mistaken, it was less than $100, and I love it so much. It's just a skinny Christmas tree. It have the only problem I have with it, like you have to go into it and connect all of the wires so that way it can be able to light up. But other than that, it's so full, it's fluffy, and also it shared a lot. But I love it. I have another Christmas tree, but I don't want to put that out this year. It's too big. And like I said, I'm ready late on decorating. I love to put my Christmas pieces up a little bit earlier so I can enjoy it. But since I'm decorating a little bit late, I'm just gonna put this tree. Maybe next year I will definitely be putting that tree up. So right now I'm just decorating it. I'm not gonna do too much with the tree. I'm just using all of the ornament that I have on, some of them from last year and different places. I got some of them from at home, Walmart, and Amazon and places like that. So I would just be using some gold and white and silver into this tree. Like I said, I just want to do a neutral color, not too much. So that's what I am doing right now. After I'm done decorating the tree, and then we're gonna move on to the next day. So right now, I'll just move on to the dresser. This is one of my new pieces that I just bought. The dresser came from Ashley Furniture Store. I have one of it like 5 minutes away from me for my new place I move. So this wall is very bare and empty. We are going to be putting a TV over the dresser, but since we don't have the TV yet, I'm just going to be using this round mirror that I did have in our other house. It used to be in my daddy room area, but since, like I said, we don't have the TV yet, I just hang that mirror over there just to have something on top of the dresser area. And to be really honest, I think it turned out really good. I don't know. I'm not somebody that love TV to be in the room, but my husband do. So we would definitely be putting a TV on top there. So right now, all of these picks I am using in this gold vase. I did get it from Hobby Lobby. I love it so much. Every year it looks so new. It don't change. So, and then these two Christmas tree that I'm putting on the other side, I did got these ones from Home Goods last year. I think I have a matching Christmas pics to that. And this book, I got it from Amazon. So everything I'm using in this video, these are things that I already have. I think the only brand new thing that I would say I did use in this room, in this decoration, would be these books, because they were on sale on Amazon, and then I just went ahead and pick it up. And then I'm trying to start these candles on the box, but I think it was just way too tall. So as you can see, I would just play around with it till I like the space that I put it in. So these are like battery operated candles that I bought from Amazon. And right now I just using some of this greenery that felt from from my, I would say, wreath. So I'm using them to just put them on top the books, because I really want to add some greenery in this space. Like I said, my theme for this year is green. So I just want to make sure and sprinkle the green all around the space. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. This dresser, I didn't do too much with it, but it turned out really good. But you guys let me know what you think and how it turns out. So this is it, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Thank you for watching to this video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys' support, and I will see you guys in my next